Hey YouTubers, today we're going to change the PCV valve, the spark plugs and the ignition coil on this 2017 Tiguan, but it applies to many different Volkswagens, all the 2.0 TSI. First thing you want to do is take off the cover here, pretty straightforward. Got little hinges here. Okay, like that. Go. Been getting random misfires and cold start misfires, and I already did the intake manifold cleaning, walnut blasting. I replaced the intake manifold, and I'm still getting these misfires. So if I change the spark plugs as well, I thought, okay, everything should be fixed, but it looks like I'm gonna have to change the ignition coils, PCV valve. This thing's got about 90,000 miles, so you know, it's time. So I wanted to make this video to show everyone how to replace certain aspects of the PCV valve, because in the videos they don't really show you how to, you know, take extra care of these brittle areas here. So we're gonna get started. I wanna make sure I got all the right tools. Oh my God. So that was a lot easier than I had initially thought. So that just came right off, which is fantastic. I honestly thought I was gonna struggle with this thing a lot more than I had initially anticipated. So thank God that we were able to get that right off. That was pretty straightforward. So now we got some torques here. Okay. Oops, that's the wrong bit. 1 second while I grab the right bit here. All right, and we are back. It was a T25 that I was looking for. So that's the one we need here. Looks like these are pretty well bolted down here. Okay, so well, because they're a little bolted down pretty good, we're gonna try something different here. And I try to manually do this here. So, okay, there. It looks like I got more torque than my wrench. Sad but true. Okay. Oh, wow. These are torqued down pretty good, so want to just take your time. I'm just gonna loosen them all up here. I will try to fast forward this aspect. Okay, there's so many of these. All right. Okay, I guess I'll just do them one by one here. Okay. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause it just so I can get all the bolts here. I think there's about 9 in here.